Hello everyone. So first of all, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be showing you all how I achieve my bun. So to start off, I spray my hair with water to make it easier to brush and to help with that sleekness, I guess. And I also add Eco Styler gel to hold my hair in place. Eco Styler really is the only thing that will hold my hair, so that's what I like to use. And in this part, I'm putting my hair up. I know it's probably a little hard to see, but I am using kind of this string thingy to just pull my hair up and put it in a puff. I'll probably make another video explaining how exactly I do that, but in this portion I really am just putting my hair up in a ponytail and then securing it with a bobby pin. So at this point, what you want to start doing is forming your bun. So basically, I'm sure you've all seen what a bun is. You're just gonna put your hair in like a bun, to be honest. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. It looks a mess, but that's why I put extra hair on top, because I know it looks a mess. But yes, for now, what I'm doing is pretty much forming the base of the bun, so that it's in the shape of a bun. At this point, I am adding hair. This hair I made myself. Well, it's Kankaline or Kanekalon. I don't really know how you pronounce it, but Kankaline hair that I curled myself using hot water and flexi rods. I do this all the time for a lot of hairstyles, and I'll definitely make another video about how specifically I do this and what hairstyles you can make with this. But with this, you're going to add on to your bun. So this is pretty much the curly part of my bun, and I'm just putting that on top of my hair, and you have to play with it for a while to really form a nice looking bun. So it can take a while, but yeah. After you've created a bun that you're pretty happy with, you of course do want to bobby pin it so that it stays secure and, you know, doesn't like fall all over the place throughout the day. And the last thing I do is lay my edges. Of course, this is optional, but right here I'm just showing you all how I do my edges. this is pretty much the end result after I finish my edges. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, you learned something new, or you'll try this style in the future. Definitely make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so that you know when I post. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'll make sure I put it in the description. And comment any other videos you would like to see me do. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.